Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy, back at it again with another Minecraft video. And today, I'm gonna cut my hair. So as you can see, my hair is getting pretty long. I haven't had a haircut in like 3 or 4 months. And since we can't leave our houses right now, I haven't been able to get a haircut. So today, my brother's gonna give me a haircut.
Hi.
He's never cut hair before, so honestly, I don't know how that's gonna go. But hopefully I don't look uglier at the end of this. And yeah.
Here we go!
Alright guys, so now we're gonna cut my hair. Lindell, my life is in your hands.
I'm actually gonna start. I'm actually.
Just don't make me ugly.
Oh my gosh. Let me test it.
Should I take my glasses off? Alright, so I'm gonna be blind. Okay.
Oh.
Can I see? Was that a lot?
No, I'm starting slow. I'm just Oh my god.
Was that oh my gosh!
It's on the floor, Mom. It's on the floor. I'm trying to do it slow.
Yeah, it feels shorter here.
Yeah, it does.
Oh my gosh.
I'm short.
Just don't make me ugly, please.
Mom, I'm gonna just do the line. I'm testing you.
Yeah, that's fine.
Am I bald? Oh my gosh!
That's fine.
Just do whatever.
Okay.
Huh? It's so short.
I'm scared.
It will grow.
Yeah, old girl.
That's not reassuring. Did you mess up?
No. Oh my.
Why?
It's even straight. I don't know. That's fine.
Why are you laughing?
Cause it's a new experience. For me.
Oh my gosh.
Look down, dude. I'm struggling. Pretty good, right?
Yeah.
Not that bad.
Ow! Ow!
Should I just shave the whole thing?
No!
It's a joke. It's a joke.
Oh my gosh. Oh, look at all my hair.
It's not that bad right now.
Oh, man.
It's not that bad. It's not that bad.
Sure.
I feel like it's not that bad too.
How do I look?
Actually, let's see. You didn't say that much, but. Boy, should I cut it up a little more?
Oh my gosh.
I'll let you be the side of that.
Why are you laughing?
Wait, go. It looks bad right now. It's not that bad.
Oh, that looks pretty bad.
It's not that bad. If you cut the. Yeah,
Oh my gosh!
if you make that fade, then it will look better.
Why does it feel like this?
Because it's just. Bro, basically a bowl cut right now.
Is that supposed to make me feel good?
Yeah.
Did I ask for a bowl cut?
No, it's supposed to look like this. You look like BTS. What are you talking about?
Do I look like BTS? Who do I look like right now? I wish I could see. Who do I look like?
Your hair's not in the front.
Do I look like Jungkook yet?
Your hair in the front. Not down.
You don't even know what you're doing.
Look at that. That's pretty good. You can leave it right there.
What was that?
Well, I'm just bringing it. Your hair's too long.
I haven't had a haircut since like January.
Try to do this. Your hair was shorter. I wouldn't need it.
If things were different, they would be different.
It's true. Looking worse, but
What do you mean looking worse?
because it's getting uneven because I started doing left level and then some parts are like that and some parts aren't.
It's not reassuring at all.
It's harder than it looks.
Yeah, oh, but nice na rin yan, nice na.
Do I look cool?
Good.
Do I look cool now?
So back, yeah.
What about from the front?
Hindi ka naman nagawa ng video.
I have to show my face on YouTube.
Okay.
You can use hat.
So does it look bad?
No, that's good.
Then why am I gonna wear a hat?
Just in case.
Just
Mess
in
it up.
What do I look like right now?
Okay.
Do I look cool?
Akin na. Picture lang ko sa likod.
Can you take a picture of my front too?
Bakit hindi mo makita?
Do you know how blind I am?
After naman hindi
I can
naman
post some
maputo
stories.
yung picture ko. sa-
Just cut my brother's hair.
Ito very nice na yun din.
Yeah. Very nice.
I just need to not be ugly. That's the goal.
Can't with that face.
Pero that's good naman na.
That's not that bad.
Patingin din.
I don't know what this is. That's not that. Look,
Yeah.
look at him. Look.
Yeah, my top hair is kind of long.
I-ano mo
But it's
lang
not
na-
that bad. It's not that bad.
That's true. That's true.
Alright.
Na,
That's true.
i-ano mo lang yung...
You look better.
But do I look good?
You look better.
It's not what I asked.
You look okay.
Do I look good?
You look okay.
It's a yes or no question.
My first cut is pretty good.
But do I look good?
No.
Do I look good?
No.
Well, this isn't that bad.
Yeah, very good, no?
It's not that bad.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, that's good then. So you can...
I wish I could go eat. I'm so hungry.
Well, it's too bad. It's supposed to be here.
Huh?
It's not. No.
Why are you laughing?
I'll get you a nice hairline. Really know? You've come so far. You've come so far. It looks good, right? It looks good.
I can't see. Am I gonna be disappointed? Man, why is my hair like that?
It's nice though, right?
It's like fine.
It's a K-pop hairstyle.
Patingin.
Are you done?
Next, what's my story?
You gonna post this?
Yeah.
No.
You look like K-pop person. You do! You told me to get you that Jungkook hairstyle. I gave it to you. I gave it.
That's good. That's better.
Is it bad?
No.
Is it bad?
The question is, am I gonna get made fun of online?
See, that's not that bad.
Yeah, that's actually not that bad.
It's
Exactly.
No,
Patingin.
that's acceptable.
A
Front. One, two. On sa back.
side.
Sige na, mag-ano ka na.
Ah, man. Okay,
Ito.
so now I'm gonna take a shower, and then I'll take another look at it after that. We also have to clean this up. Oh my gosh, there's so much hair everywhere.
Is
Is that all mine?
Yeah.
Wow. All right.
That's a lot.
Well, I'm gonna have to clean it up, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, and we are back. It's been a couple hours since I got my hair cut. I took a shower and dried my hair and all that. And so this is what it looks like. This is the final product of my brother's handicraft. Like, obviously it's a little rough around the edges, but Lindell's never cut hair before, so I can't be too upset with the results. I do kind of wish that I was able to get the top of my hair cut, but I know that that is a little bit more difficult than cutting the sides. But to be honest, I'm just really thankful that my hair is shorter now for the most part, because with quarantine and all that, my hair has been getting pretty long and it was kind of hard to deal with. So yeah, this is my hair, and this is how it's gonna look for the time being. And yeah, but I do want to know what you guys think about my new haircut. So leave a comment down below telling me your thoughts on my new cut. You can tell me it's cool, or you can tell me that I look like a not cool guy. But you know, any feedback is appreciated because this is like a completely new hairstyle for me. I've never worn it like this before. So, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, so that's all I had for today. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please be sure to leave a like and comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe for some more great content. Potentially more Stanford related content. And that's all for today, guys. So I'll see you next time. Bye.